mod 2 for the shoulder stand. If you've had shoulder surgery and you have any damage to your neck at all, you're gonna take mod 1. Be careful of your shoulders, and it's important to watch the tutorial first and then go into the posture so you're not looking around as you move into this position. It's not safe for the neck. So make sure you feel good in your body. Come to lie on your back, hands down by the hips, start to lift the legs up towards the ceiling. From here, you're gonna push into the backs of your shoulders and start to lift the hips up off the floor. And then just check in here. If you feel any compression into your neck, you're gonna mod down. Otherwise, you're gonna stay here and just work on stretching that back line. Hug the belly in, keep the legs extended the best you can. The weight is in the shoulders, not the neck. To come out, very important using your core. Hug the belly in. Hug the belly in more. Try not to spring out of this position. If you're springing out, your body is not prepared to be here. Control the movement, slowly placing the hips down onto the floor. Bend the knees, take a big breath in, and exhale, let go.